Okay, so my 2001 Chrysler Sebring has a no crank, no start issue. Come inside, get in, interior lights and everything work, odometer works, turn the key, nothing. The radio doesn't come on, but still the windows and all roll up and down, but stuff like the radio that should turn on with the key doesn't come on. So the problem is in the fuse box under the hood. This fuse, I kind of can look at it from the side of it and see that it's blown. So just give me a second and I'll get it out of here. And there you have it. It's blown.